poets, my old friends, have come to talk with you again, because a deadline softly creeping got closer while you were sleeping, and the poems that were planted in your brain still remain within the sounds of sawdust. Up Somerset I walked alone, talking to Liam on the phone. 'Neath the mural outside, poor boy, I got ready for sawdust joy, when my inbox filled with poems left and right. It made my night and shaped the sounds of sawdust. At the open mic I saw 25 people, maybe more. People reading, poets speaking, poets hearing with rapt listening, poets writing poems that all were meant to share. So glad you did fill up the sounds of sawdust. Poet said you do not know. You are what makes sawdust grow. Send your poems, I might read you. When the poem off, will all heed you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the well of sawdust, and the people bowed and prayed to the poet gods they made. Deadline's coming, here's your warning. Send us all the words you are for me. And the sign said the words of the poets are written on the poor boy walls in lovely scroll. You'll hear them in the sounds of sawdust.